Hi there, Jason Hernandez here, chef for the National Mango Board. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're talking about spring brunch. Well, what says spring brunch? Mango-Cado Toast. Well, how do you make Mango-Cado Toast? As you can see, we have a lot of great ingredients on our table. We're gonna make a mango cream cheese and a mango guacamole, which completes our Mango-Cado Toast. So stick with us, let's get started. All right, to get started, first we're gonna take our cream cheese, which has been softened. We're just gonna place that into the bowl. Just gonna spread that out just to make sure we get a nice, even distribution of the ingredient. Next, we're gonna take our salt. We're just gonna spread that over the entire dish here. Next, we're gonna add the minced ginger. So I'm gonna use a spoon here, just spread that out, get a good mixture. Again, we're gonna fold all these ingredients together. Finally, I'm adding my mango vinegar. Just again, pouring that over the top. And of course, mango pieces. So I've diced these pieces into 1/4-inch pieces. Again, I'm just gonna put that into the bowl. Using my spatula here, I'm just gonna fold those in. Again, making sure not to break those mango pieces. So you want all those ingredients nice and incorporated, ready to go. Now we're getting ready to make mango guacamole. So you can see all of our ingredients on the table. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take our avocados. So we're just gonna scoop those out, place those into our bowl. As you can see, I got those cut into 1/4-inch pieces. Again, you wanna leave those nice big chunks in there, that way you have a good spread on your Mango-Cado Toast. Excellent. Next, we're gonna take our cilantro. So we're gonna take that, it's gonna be chopped cilantro, place that over the top. Next, we're gonna take our salt, pepper, garlic mix, sprinkle that over everything. Next is our ginger. So again, we're just gonna grab our spoon, make sure this gets all the way in there. Again, we're gonna fold all this together, so don't worry about incorporating that too much right now. Next, a little bit of lime juice, right over the top. Cumin, shake that right over the top. And we're gonna finish with our chili powder. So that's the last of our dry spices here. Gives a little color, a little smoke flavor in there. And now, of course, fresh diced mango. So we got those cut up, ready to go. We're just gonna place that onto our mixture as well. Now again, we're gonna use our spoon, slowly just incorporating all these ingredients together, folding them in, making sure that we're not damaging the mangoes and we're not damaging the avocado. All right, now that we have everything prepped out and ready to go, we have our mango cream cheese, we have our mango guacamole, now it's time to make our Mango-Cado Toast. So first we start off with our toasted bread. We're gonna take a nice big scoop of our mango cream cheese, spread that all over the bread. Again, you can see those nice big chunks of mango inside of our cream cheese. So nice sweet flavor all the way throughout our Mango-Cado Toast. Next, we're gonna take our mango guacamole. Again, a nice big scoop. You can see the chunks of avocado in there, see the chunks of mango. Again, that's adding flavor, that's adding color, that's really adding a lot to our Mango-Cado Toast. Spread that out, you can see the color contrast between our mangoes, our cream cheese, and our avocados. Next, we're gonna place our sliced mango pieces right on top. We're adding more sweet flavor to our Mango-Cado Toast. Next, we're gonna add our greens. So the greens are gonna a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor, mound those right on top. A little bit of our red chili flakes, spice it up a little bit. Make that a little spicy, a little bit of heat. Now we're gonna finish it with a little bit of our mango vinegar. So we're gonna drizzle that right over the top. Nice sweetness, nice brightness, a little bit of vinegar. Next, we're gonna place that on a plate with our Mango-Cado Toast. Again, thanks for joining us for our spring brunch Mango-Cado Toast. For more recipes, information, and inspiration, please visit mango.org.